In today's video, we're going to be replacing the PCV valve, which is right here. This is the part that I ordered originally from Honda, and it's pretty much quick and simple. Make sure your car is cooled down or park overnight. Don't do it when the engine is warm. And this bolt right here is 10 millimeters, so grab yourself a short socket 10 millimeter with a ratchet, and we're gonna loosen it up. I move the rest by hand. What we're gonna do is wiggle it back and forth. Don't force it out. You might break the piece in the inside, and then it'll be a headache. Look at that. Shake it up. I don't hear anything. Now let's make a comparison while I was shaking it up. So this is the old one. You don't hear anything. Now you grab the new one. You can hear it shaking. Something that's good. So this is definitely bad. And this new one already has the O-ring for the top. Then the bottom, all we have to do is just install it in. Like that. Let's go and grab the bolt. Just insert it in. Grab the ratchet and tighten it up. Look at the old one. I mean, it's not rattling inside when you shake it up. That means it's bad. You already heard it in the video. The new one, you shook it up, and it's something inside rattling. I mean, the new one is good. This one is bad. That's how you change out the PCV valve for 2004, 2008 Acura TL. Thanks for watching.